We're at 9732 Angel Oak Drive. This is in Pensacola, just off of Rebel Road in Beulah. We are entering through our main front door here. Directly to our left, we have a coat closet. Then next up, we have a little corridor with 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Here is bedroom number 1. This is on the front side of the home. Nice big double window in here looking to the front yard. Carpeting in the bedrooms, but laminate throughout the rest of the home. And then here is bathroom number 1. So this would be great for guests or kids. Here is bedroom number 2. This is on the left side of the home. Also good sized closet in here. Heading back out, you can see our front door there. Continuing further into the home, we're passing another storage closet. We have a little corridor with our entrance from our 2-car garage. You can see our laundry room here. Washer dryer units are included for tenant use. And then here is bedroom number 3. This would be a great office or nursery or storage room. This is on the right side of the home. Continuing on now, we'll head back further towards the kitchen and living room. Through a little doorway here. Here is that kitchen. We have stainless steel appliances, nice big countertop island, large pantry. And then here is that dining area. You can see our back door there. Before we carry on though, turning you around, you can see straight to our front door here. This is a very good sized kitchen. Could easily seat 4 to 6 people at the island. And then here is our living room. So this is on the back side of the home. Nice big double window looking into the backyard. And then carrying on here, we have our master suite. So the master is on the back side of the home, completely separate from the other bedrooms. So nice, good split floor plan here. And then we'll go to the attached ensuite. We have a double sink vanity, nice big walk-in shower. And then turning here, we have a linen closet, our water closet, and then our big walk-in closet goes all the way around both sides. Turning you around here. And we'll head back into the backyard now, going back through our living space. And we will exit out our back door here. We have a good sized covered patio here, and then we do have this big yard space. Wraps around both sides of the property. This home does back up to Beulah Elementary or Middle School here. And if you have pets, they do love to play with your dogs through the fence. Nice big yard here. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 9732 Angel Oak Drive, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.